Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on TECNO Spark for TC. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click install. And now you can click open, and here you can click agree and continue. Now you can decide if you want to change your default browser, or you can click cancel, and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and you can turn on notifications from this app, or you can click not now again. Here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.